Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the windshield on the E30, something I've been wanting to do for a while. As you can see here, there is a big crack all the way from the bottom here coming across. It all started as a bit of a ship and then it kept extending, so it's time to get a new windshield installed. And I found a guy that it's a mobile service, so it comes to you, but I gotta drive to Fort Lauderdale to meet him. So I'm here at a warehouse where the glass is, and we're gonna do the job right here. And if you're asking why is it that I'm not doing this on my own like everything else with the car, to be honest, I did try. I called the dealer and they quoted me about $500 for a new windshield, which I was not gonna pay. I also tried to get some windshields from people that were parting out their cars, and I was just never able to get my hands on one. And I found this guy through a good reference, and he gave me a very good deal with the glass and the installation, so I was not going to say no. And hopefully I get to learn on how to do this during the process. I want to take a quick moment to give a big shout out to Auto Glass Xpress. This guy did a phenomenal job at a great price, and best of all, he had done many E30s in the past, so he knew exactly what he was doing, and I had no concerns with my car being damaged at any point during the process. So if you're in the South Florida area and need a new windshield for your BMW, give this guy a call. I highly recommend him. So let me remove some of this stuff. My nice rear view mirror suction cup. I ended up getting this. The one that I was using the glue here for kept falling, so I gave up on that. And my sun pass, and we should be ready to get started. And the windshield is gone. So one of the things that had me worried was this I guess weather strip, or the seal. I didn't know if it was going to be in good condition, and it seems like it is, and I'm glad, because for one, I don't have another one right now, and I gotta get this done today. And then on the other hand, I was looking at the price for this, and they're pretty expensive. I think it's about $200 for an OEM. So this one looks good. It even has the drain hose and everything. And here's the locking strip, which also looks to be in very good condition. This was probably installed at some point not too many years ago. So I'm glad I didn't really have to buy any new parts for this other than the glass. glass is on and I have a clear view now. So you can see here, no cracks. This is so much better driving with a clean and clear windshield. Absolutely no cracks. I also have this I guess blue area here, whatever that's called, so it protects me against the sun as well. I am very happy with how this came out, and it was done very quickly too. So it's beginning to rain here, and as you can see, my wiper blades are pretty beat up. Looks like they haven't been changed for a while. They don't really do a good job cleaning the windshield. So this brand new windshield does deserve brand new wiper blades. And there we have it, brand new windshield with new wiper blades, and it looks really good. So that will do it for this video. Once again, thanks for watching. Please leave your comments below, and I will see you all in the next one.